Hey guys, it is Sunday night and we want a snack, and normally that's something healthy like pretzels or plain popcorn, but tonight, because all of our farm chores are done and we feel like we've earned a special treat, we are going to be making a very special caramel popcorn. And trust me, you will want to make this and you will never eat it any other way. So let's get started and I'll show you what to do. We're gonna start off with popcorn. You can get this however you prefer. You can use microwave popcorn. I just made mine in my cast Dutch oven and I have it sitting here. The next step is 1 stick of butter. To melt a whole stick of butter and make sure it's completely melted before you add a ½ cup of brown sugar. While the brown sugar is melting, and I want to make sure that all of the crystals of the sugar are melted before we add the next ingredient. And to this I have added about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And this is salted butter. You can absolutely use unsalted butter if you prefer. I also added some salt to my popcorn while I was popping it. So we're going to get this melted and show you what's next. The brown sugar has dissolved, and as you can see, not only are there bubbles on the edge, but the bubbles are starting in the middle. This is when you know it is all melted and ready to get the next step, which is approximately ½ bag of mini marshmallows. Sounds weird, I know, but I'm telling you, this is so good. And we're just gonna stir this until everything melts. I have my pot on low. Stir and stir and stir. Once everything is melted, you can see it's a nice creamy consistency. I'm gonna just make sure everything is incorporated. We are going to then pour this over our popcorn. And again, stir, stir, stir. Keep stirring until everything is combined, but you guys, this is the best caramel corn I've ever had. No joke, hands down, the best. Wait until it cools off to eat it so warm, but it's so good. Go make some now.